I've been driving 7 to 9 a.m. every day on the weekday. That's money in the bag because somebody has to get to work.
And then also in the afternoon when, traditional work hours or people are getting out of school.
I find sometimes it might not be worth it for me to drive mid-afternoon. I found there's a little bit of a lull time.
Based on my schedule and with my full-time job, Friday and Saturday nights was the best time for me to drive.
When it comes to where to drive, I think about what would I be doing at that time of the day. And then I look for rides that are either going downtown or across town.
I go to Cermak. There's somebody who is in that area because there's 4 hotels in that little square block area.
There is a local college, a local university. There's also the metro, or as we call it, the GO train.
A lot of restaurants, a lot of bars, a lot of trendy places that people frequent.